here it is, the DIY Mini Solar Cyberdeck. What's a Cyberdeck? It's kind of a DIY hack-together laptop. Often they have a sort of cyberpunk vibe. With this one, I've gone for a sort of eco-solar cyberpunk design. I really like the exposed wires. A great feature about this is how compact it is. All you need is your phone, pop it in, and it becomes a laptop. This works with any kind of phone. There are no dimensional constraints, so it can fit almost any device. The cable slides up and down, or can be swapped out to match your phone. Simply loosen the clamp, place your phone in the dock with the cable plugged in, and then tighten the clamp to fix the position. It features 1.5 watt solar charging for about 300 milliamps at 5 volts. It supports any USB accessory, including a mouse and keyboard. It has a built-in dock for wrapping up your headphones. And you can also use it to solar charge any device that runs on USB directly or off the battery pack. When you're done with the device, it simply folds up for easy carrying. There's several uses for this device. You could add a USB speaker and watch a movie with a friend, filling out applications online but don't have a laptop, plug in a keyboard and mouse, and you have an instant mini laptop. This also is good for keeping your phone charged while camping or holding your phone while video chatting. Alright, but how sustainable is this project? Remember, there are 3 components or 3 pillars of sustainability, and those are environmental, social, and economic sustainability. For environmental sustainability, I give this project a 5 out of 10. This can assist a tiny little bit in switching to clean energy, but the solar panel and the battery will wear out over time. There's some materials in here that aren't sustainable, like hot glue, and the plywood also contains plastic non-biodegradable glue. What I do like about it, however, is that it prominently features a solar panel, which could be a good conversation starter to promote and talk about clean energy. For economic sustainability, I give this project an 8 out of 10. It's kind of a cool budget option if you're someone who can't afford a laptop, but you already have a phone. For social sustainability, I give this project a 5 out of 10. It doesn't really have much of a social impact, it's mostly just for fun. There are a couple of improvements that could be made to this project. It could use a higher wattage solar panel for faster charging, maybe a 3.5 or a 5 watt. And it would be nice to have an easy way to switch between powering the phone and using data devices. The way that Android phones work, they don't want to charge and use a USB device at the same time. So it'd be nice to have some kind of switch you could flip just to switch back and forth. Right now you have to pull out the cord and change the configuration. Overall, the Mini Solar Cyberdeck is a fun DIY project. It's a nice introduction to using solar power in your projects. It's kind of a funky and unique conversation starter. And it's kind of fun. I like to use mine as a phone stand for watching videos.